Hi, I'm Hitomi. I'm a Nifty producer, and today we're making a stovetop cover. This is perfect for anyone that has a very small kitchen. If you're like me and you like to cook, but you're also limited on the space, having a stovetop cover is a perfect way to be able to chop your vegetables or even prep before having friends over and making a bunch of food. It also allows you and your friends to be in the kitchen all at once, because it's always annoying when you have a small space and you're the only person in there because your friends can't really hang out with you. So having that space for other people to be and, kind of have them help out cooking is always nice. And this is perfect as well because you could customize it to the size of your stovetop. A lot of times I feel like, yes, your apartment may come with a generic stove, but let's say you live in your home and you bought a specific stovetop and then the one that you bought online doesn't fit. Well, this project is really easy. You could customize it. You could customize the handle, the color, the type of wood. So it's really fun and you could make it your perfect little DIY piece. This project is also super versatile. You could use it obviously on top of your countertop to chop vegetables or mix things. You could also use it as a tray. So in this video I kind of showed you how I had chips and salsa and beer, and I even just took it over to the coffee table, because that's another thing too. I feel like if you could put it anywhere where you could possibly want space, it becomes that extra surface area that you could use. So when I was done with this project, I gifted it to my friend, and again, because you could customize it, he pretty much turned it into his own style that fits his kitchen. So I think he painted it white, gray, made it really rustic. This countertop is also great for not only using for cooking, but because you can use it in multiple places, it's great to just use anywhere, anytime. Doesn't have to be for your friends, it could just be for yourself. So it's really for anybody, which is great. So when this video came out, we had a lot of comments and concerns about how this could cause potential house fires, and I believe in you guys. I think you guys are all responsible and know that when you are using the stove top, to remove the countertop because it is versatile and you could put it on your coffee table and enjoy food, snacks and drinks on it. So this project is for anybody that loves cooking in the kitchen, maybe wants to have more counter space, and someone that wants a really easy DIY project that could customize in your kitchen. I would love to see what you guys made. Share it with us in the comments and show me your masterpiece.